Here we have our Wolf double oven 6-burner with the Griddle commercial stove. Do a quick walk around here. Beautiful little Bakelite knobs. A little light rust here and there. Could be sanded off if you really wanted to get to work on it. This other side as well. Check out that steel on this. That is heavy duty stuff right there. Again, a little light rusting, but no real pitting. Burner looks great. It's just in the drip pans and whatnot where you get the rust. Got a little scuff right there, a little dent over here, a little fold in the metal there, so it looks like it got a little ding on this side. Other than that, the metal's all real straight. A little bit of staining around on this back side. Vents look good. A little bit bent up right there on top. Other side again, a little bit of corrosion along that leading edge there. A little bit on these burner tops, but there's still plenty of life left in them for sure. That gives you a good idea of what we got for sale here.